Hello, in this video I will show you how to permanently delete your RedNote account. Now it's a very easy process. Firstly, open the application. Then go to your profile at the bottom right hand side corner. After that, click on the gear option. Now over here, just simply go to the account settings. And right over here, you will have an option called account cancellation. Click on that. Now just simply wait for a few seconds. After that, you will have this option. Over here, your number should already be linked with your account. Then click on the red option right over here, and that will send an OTP on your phone. So just simply wait for the OTP and then fill it right over here. Then once you will receive your OTP, just simply enter it right over here. Then hit the red option right over here. Now wait for a few seconds. Now once you are on this page, just simply click on this check option right over here. Then click on the main red option again at the very bottom. Now you will be given a few options right over here. So all you have to do is just simply choose any one of the reasons. And then just simply click on the main red option down below. And the moment you will do that, your account will be cancelled. Now, it is currently cancelled, not completely deleted. If you still want to get your account back, just simply log back in within 30 days. And after 30 days, if you will not log in, the account will be deleted permanently. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.